this cheap tent that I'm excited about. So I'm going to put it up in this wind, see how it holds up. It's like 70 degrees. It's about a week away from our spring break, which means if we're having nice weather now, definitely going to have a blizzard. I can just feel it. So hopefully we can get to the mountains, but I'm just acting like maybe it won't happen so that maybe it will. Let's unbox this. Here's why I got this tent is because it's cheap and it's Ozark Trail. Everyone knows it's cheap tents. Thing is, if I wanted a real nice canvas tent, put a stove in, they're a good, $1,000 to $2,000. Well, I can't afford that because I've always wanted to. I always wanted to have a nice canvas tent and do that. And then these popped up about a year or two ago, and they were completely sold out. And then I finally got on Walmart and got another one sent today for $300. Can't beat that, but we'll see if it's worth anything. Case. I can't believe they make a canvas tent. Oh my gosh, that thing is heavy. I mean, that's got to be 100 pounds. Hopefully get a few. Did I just do that? I sure did. I just cut that. Well, there you go. That's what I end up doing. Dang, what is it? Does it come with a floor? Alright, so a couple fails, which is kind of what I'm known for. I want to put it up because it's like the only nice day we have. But out here it's always windy, so I really have no choice to wait till the wind goes down. Whew! About bent it. And it wasn't too bad. I bent the back butt up. But actually pretty sturdy. So I found a pretty super cool thing they have for this tent. I don't know if it's on other ones or not, but look at this. I could be standing down. I'll show it so you can see it. Put up. All I gotta do is flip that baby over and pull on it. Like, which way? Nope, went that way. Look at that. Just like that. Boom. Oops. That was awesome. I love it. That's so cool. Maybe they have those on other ones. I don't know. Especially for short people. Alright, so we moved the tent from over there to over here. Here it is. We're going to get a good 2 to 3 inches, they say. 2 to 3 feet. Who knows? They never really know. But it's supposed to be wet at least. And that'll be really good to test in the tent. So I'm excited. It'd be awesome. Stay the night in here. We got the old stove from the old tiny cabin, and don't worry, it's far from the trees. Even though it looks like it's a couple inches, it's a good 4 feet. And look at it, it's all rusted out. Love this thing though. Still got some ashes in there, which is nice. And yeah, this thing, as small as it is, it cranks it out. I love it. It's a cheap cot. Cheap cots are not worth the money. So we'll see how it goes. Looks like it's even piling up on here a little bit. So we'll see if that comes through or not. And we'll have a camp out tonight. So came back from work. And yeah, it's been melting all day. It's been snowing heavy all day. How it's holding up. It is cold in here though. So pretty heavy snow, very heavy snow. I'm just going to keep it, lay it on there and just see how it does, especially when it starts warming up. Here's the other thing that's kind of funny. I didn't even think about it. Put this tent up here. We're, of course, in my backyard, and there's cars that drive by, And I've already had like 2 people say, "Man, you doing all right? Like, did you get kicked out of your house? Are you in the doghouse or what?" So yeah, small town, and you can't really do anything without anybody noticing. What do you think? Fill up. That's good, right?
Oh. Really?
Really?
Dad? Is it out? I don't like to look at. Oh, I can sleep on this all day.
So, getting quite a bit of accumulation on here. It's really sagging down compared to this, and it's pretty heavy. Feels really heavy. So I'm just crashing it down a little bit. So it's a pretty wet snow. So I'm a little worried about that. It's all going to come down through there. So I'm not sure how to do that. Woo! I like it. Alright. We made it through the night. I did, at least. And almost went through all the wood. I let the stove go. And it even got some snow on here this morning. I'll show you outside. Yes, I'm barefoot. Throw on some shoes. Kind of hard to sleep with a bunch of cars driving by. But it held up really well. And melting. Got the icicles. Pretty awesome. I like it. So far, definitely worth the money. Alright, so that's my review of this canvas tent, Ozark Trail. If I had to give it a rating, I'd say maybe 4.5 out of 5, I don't know, tiny cabins, something like that. Pretty good. Pretty great tent. Can't wait to use it and camp a few days in it, maybe at the farm, maybe up in the mountains, wherever we go. But hey, hope you guys can get out there, and we'll see you next video.